Hey there! In this quick video, I'm going to compare the specs of the Xiaomi robot vacuum S10T with the S10 Plus and what are the things that you need to know. So first thing, the suction power. When we can look here, this is a huge difference between the 10T and 10 Plus. Is the suction power is just like higher, like your whole floor is going to be gone. It's going to go on the carpet and carpet is going to be gone. That's how high the power is. Then you're gonna have battery life is also better. You know, it's going to even vacuum your neighbor house, so get ready for that. Then you're gonna have the navigation. You're gonna have advanced LDS laser navigation, and then Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus is 360 laser navigation. I got no idea which one is better. This is just a spec comparison, so it's a tie. I can resell like that. You should go definitely with that. It's super cool navigation system. I don't know. You know, mopping system, both got intelligent control with adjusted water levels, app control, customizable cleaning schedule, virtuals, multi-floor mapping, again good. Dustbin capacity, S1010 is better. Now water tank capacity is same. Noise level, this is important, is you can have S10 Plus for like is more quieter. So again, if you have kids that are sleeping during the lunch, if you are working from home and you want to have more quiet, the Xiaomi S10 Plus can be better for that. And then I don't really have the weight for the S10T, but I just wanted to make this quick video that the suction power is on another level with S10T, better battery life and better dustbin capacity, but the noise level is a little bit worse. So let me down below in the comments which one you're going to choose. I'm curious, and thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.